More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in this video I want to try to talk to the great fathers out there and have them either comment, email me so that I can discuss what it took for them to mold their son from a young man into a great man and find out some practical examples of how it can be done. My book, Molding a Man, describes some basic information about things that you need to talk about or look for or try when raising your son, from adolescence to college, and giving him some information along that way. So that's what my book is all about. These videos I do, this YouTube channel is all geared towards putting this whole fatherhood sphere in practical sense, so that all the fathers to come can become great fathers and mold their sons and young men into great men. So that's what this video here is all about. I want to try to reach out to all the great fathers out there to email me, comment, so I can start talking to them about what it took for them to mold their son into a great man. If this is information that we need in our society today. I think it is, and I hope you feel the same way. So I'll be looking forward to you subscribing to the channel, commenting, and hopefully I can bring you onto the platform. When I get to a certain level, there's a YouTube algorithm that works to where you can, start to bring on guests and go live and have certain things. So hopefully I'll get to that level and we can, get us some good discussions out here going on. And behind me, I have my Molding a Man box, which houses all the different things that you'll buy from my online store, and also the seminar box with the 3 seminars that helps with the Male Support Day program that every family should have built within their lineage for their legacy, for the men in the family. So hopefully you'll go to my store and look it over and see some value in buying the Male Support Day seminars, which I think will jumpstart your family legacy with all the young men within your family. So I'm gonna stop right here and put this one out this week. So hopefully by next week I'll hear from somebody, some of you guys, that have done great jobs with your son, and we can get this conversation started so that even in our community, the black community, we need this help, and communities around the world also need this help with their young men. So hopefully you'll find value in it. Until the next time, thank you. God bless. See you next week. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. So in this video, I would have some questions to ask those fathers to get some idea of what it took for them to do the job that they did. And the premise is their reason for having a son. That's a big question. Another one is, what did you talk about at each level? When they're in elementary school, when they're in junior high school, when they're in high school, and when they're in college. What were the things that you discussed with them to prepare them, or talk to them and show them their pros and cons at those levels? So I would like to know some of the things that you showed them or taught them that enhanced their experience as they were growing up. Did you teach them how to change the tire, how to shave, how to cut their hair? What were the different skills that you showed them or taught them to help them become great men and mature. Also, the time you put aside to spend with them. Was there any specific time? Did you put calendar dates to where you and your son would go together to do different things? Was that a plan? Was that something that you just fell into, or you had already programmed into your schedule, into your life with your son? You know, we all have busy schedules. We're all doing a lot of things. So did you actually put a schedule together to take your son hunting, fishing, you know, whatever the things that you wanted to show your son or teach your son? Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
By the head, more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man.